channel. For today's video, your boy is about to replace one Sparco and pick up two. Now, I know if I lived in LA, I would probably get shot for what I'm about to do. Now, what would get me shot is, I'm basically going from swoop to crib. Christina about to get two blue Sparcos, baby. I've been hyping this up for a minute, and now that my seats are cut, I need AC. Hold on, playboy. Oh, Lord. I've been hyping these seats up for a minute, and I'm finally getting them. And everyone's like, yo, why is Zosh doing blue seats? Like, why? Like, his car's green and yellow. Like, why would he do blue? Trust me, bro. Trust me. Trust the vision, bro. Trust the vision. It'll be real funny when I get these seats. I'm like, yo, the blue looks ass in the car. But I know it won't. I just know it won't. It's going to flow so damn good, and I can't wait to unveil these bad boys to y'all. But right now I'm finna head up, pick up my boo, and then we're gonna ride out to Neo's garage and pick up our seats, and yeah, that's it. So let's get it. Well, never mind on me getting my seats today, because UPS down in Hialeah lost one of the seats. Like, they scanned both seats, but one is lost. They can't find it in the warehouse. So, and it's already 4 o'clock now, and dude, I was already on the highway. I'm about to go get them, and then I was just like, man, I'm gonna just like not go get one seat and one rail, and I already got this one unbolted out. And I don't want Bloods or Crips as my seat, so you know what I'm saying? I gotta either rock with the Barib or the Bloods. Yeah. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna continue this video once I pick up the seats, and tomorrow's Friday, which is the day I head down to IBOC. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day, and I'm sorry for the last video. Well, not the last video, because the last video is my hybrid racing shifter install. So the video before that, which was the X-bar install, I'm sorry for the last minute of that clip being all black. I'm very sorry. But right now, Neo is coming with one of my seats. Like I said, UPS lost one of my seats, so we're trying to wait to see if they find it in their warehouse. I don't know what's going on. But I do have one of the seats, and that's coming right now with Neo, and that's why Christina has no seat. Today is the day I head down to Orlando for IBOC, the pre-meet, baby. And it's around like 2 o'clock right now, and I'm waiting to get the seat, put the seat in, do all that stuff, and get the car washed up with the pressure washer or something. Because, bro, this is ridiculous. But as of right now, I am going to be replacing my steering wheel bolts with my now Downstar titanium ones. So let's get it, playboy. And voila, baby. Woo, titanium, playboy. It's the details, bro. It's the details. Whoa, look at the detail. Look at the deets, bro. Look at the deets. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Okay, you guys probably can't tell on camera, but I just finished washing the car, doing what I gotta do, and what? No water entered it. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see it, but like, there's no water. No water at all. Well, there's a little bit right there, but whatever. On that side, nothing. Nothing, why? I gotta dry it off, but now I gotta go meet Neo for my seat. Alright. Neo's in the pizzle, baby. What's up, Neo? Yeah, bro, you know I gotta vlog my vlog. Wow, here it is, boys. Wow. Only man. Only man. I get special deliveries, baby. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Let's get it, baby. Yeah. All right. And like we were talking about, man, they lost my other seat, so hopefully we can find it and I can install the other one. But you know what it is. Blue face, baby. I want to see you bust down. All right, seat is fully bolstered in. Voila. I kind of don't like the new design it did for the Sprint seat, but man, looks pretty good though. I like the black right there. I kind of like this right here, hugs your shoulders. I don't like how they did the Sprint design though, but all in all, what do you guys think? Blue seats, green car, yellow calipers, soon to be painted green in the back, hopefully with a nice yellow Cusco cage, but what do you think? I mean, I don't have nothing else to say aside from...
No, I ain't riding no waves, too busy making my own waves, baby.
And that's pretty much it, man. So to wrap up everything, like my dad didn't, this is my new Sparco seat. I wish I had the other one, but, well, waiting on that. But all in all, man, that's it, playboy. All I gotta do is throw the seatbelts back across the glory holes, and that's it, bro. People gonna be hating, though. They're gonna be like, man, that's so stupid. It's too much. Nah, bro. Trust the vision, bro. I just don't like how they did that. But trust the vision. Trust the vision. Yo. What is this? Yo. Bro, that ain't even cool, dog. But all in all, that is going to wrap it up for this video, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I'm sorry that it's short, but can't really complain when you're watching something for free, right? Super facts! But, well, whatever. People do what they do best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, then leave your dislikes. If you did, leave your likes, comment if you want, or subscribe if you want. Do what you gotta do. I can't believe my seat is ripped, dog. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.